Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I wanted to do a little cleaning motivation with you and move things around a little bit. All right, so it's Sunday and it's a perfect time to clean the home and get ready for the week. So that's what we're gonna do. If this is your first time here, I would love to have you, so please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. So let's get started. Okay, so I just moved everything that's usually here by this window right here, and I put it over here and in front of, you know, the fireplace and all that stuff, just so I can get all of the baseboards wiped down. And as you see, there's little puppy food and stuff all over the place. It's been a while since I cleaned these windowsills out, so if you see, you can see it's quite a bit of debris here in the windowsill there. So I'm gonna get all that wiped down. So you guys, so I'm just sharing with you the overview of this nice clean living room. It's the summertime, so this is not reality for me at the moment, but it definitely was great to see this shot here.
Okay, move. Put Mom's camera down because it'll kill you. Put it down, you're wasting my battery. Oh yeah, boom. Oh, I got that on camera. Oh. Wow.
You jump up back in here with that damn pop.
Hey, so it's a brand new day. I originally started, but it was just so much going on. It's summertime, so kids are here. It's just so much. So I'm back at it again, re-cleaning my kitchen, cooking, all of that good stuff. So I thought I would turn the camera on and finish doing a clean with me. So yeah, I'm making country fried steak, salad, and since my little one don't eat salad, I made him rice. I think they'll eat rice. I'll eat the salad. So yeah, let's finish cleaning this mess. I've been trying to clean and cook as I go, but just so much going on. But look, it's still light outside. So let's finish.
Yeah.
So here's the salad. We got all type of goodies in there, and yeah, this is dinner. Okay, so I store all of my little salad stuff in this little container. There you go. I think it came out like Home Goods or so. It has like a little divider in it. So yeah, these are some of the items that I add in here and there. It fits. Okay, so it fits perfectly right here in my pantry. So that's where all my little salad stuff goes. Now this is my kitchen, so I just have to clean up after dinner and then we'll move on. really hate putting utensils away. Cutlery, it drives me insane. Like one of my pet peeves. I don't know why, it's just this. I have no idea. Okay, I'm about to change my beta water. It gets dirty within like a day. As soon as I feed the fish, it becomes like foggy. So I change this water like every 3 to 4 days is what I mean. I change the water out, but I hope I don't put it into shock. But look at how cloudy it gets, and the food is down at the bottom. And I even use the I have the little drops, the little beta conditioning right here. So I have the tray back clean. Alrighty, so here's the tray. Just the little faux white roses, the little beta, and this little thing I got out of like Joann's, and my candle with the candle holder. So that's that. Looks cute. Again, my plant is still here on the counter. It's doing well. So yeah, so this is it. This is clean. I wanted to share this tray that I just found. I think it's going to be the perfect little addition. It's gold, it's simple, it got mirrored. So loving it. So we're gonna do, I got this out of Tuesday morning. This is the brand here. There you go, that's the brand. So here we go. I found this cutie out of Home Goods, and this was like $7.99 or something. Like, place it in here like that, and it stands your flower up. Oh, I'm so loving that. So, and I love the size and the shape, so it's going to be perfect on this tray. So let's go ahead and get it styled on the table.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet.
Okay, so here is this cutie right here. Not too shabby. That's a perfect little addition right here. Simple, nice and clean. Yeah.
And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed
The overall view. Yeah. That's like perfect. The nice height and everything, and real together to give it a cohesive look. I love real live plants, but sometimes they're hard to maintain, especially if there's not enough sunlight. So I think that's cute. If I didn't say it, I got it from Ross. Dress for Less for like 60 bucks. Anyways, here it is. My kitchen is nice and clean. I just need to get that stuff put away.
where did you end up? Where did you go? Where do you stay? Do you feel happier this way? Is this really what you want? Well, if
at this mess behind my refrigerator. I just knew that it was definitely time to get this cleaned out. So I am going to get all of this cleaned and washed down. This is a bit overwhelming.
I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, I'm creepy, creepy. I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, so creepy, creepy. I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, I'm creepy, creepy. I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, so creepy, creepy. Where do you keep me? Where is the door? I'm locked up in chains. My empty body's what remains. You're the only thing you know. Wherever you go, I won't understand why you keep running from where I am. I've been drinking about you lately. Tell myself that I'm not freaking, but do you really think I'm creepy? I'm creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, I'm creepy, creepy.
Okay, I've swept, I vacuumed, I Swiffered, and now I'm going to steam a mop because that's how bad these floors were. I just have these little refillable mat pads, so I'm sure I'm gonna have to use both of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and steam the floor. Distilled water goes into this steam mop. And here is the brand. It's a Shark, okay? And yeah. Put a little bit of essential oils onto the mat. This is eucalyptus and this is fresh linen. And they came from like Tuesday Morning for like $3 or $4. Oh my goodness, look what I just seen. I woke up and this is here on my board. That is beautiful. Oh, I feel so appreciated now. The video, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. I want to thank you so very much for rocking out with me on this clean with me and a little bit of decorating and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.